So when I started uploading videos on YouTube for my channel, I needed a video intro. And my idea was to have bulama.io, come up on the screen as if it's being, typed on a keyboard. So you have the characters coming on one after the other. And I didn't want to hire someone to just make a video the traditional way or have some kind of animation for that. And I thought to myself, I bet I could write some HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that could do that for me. So I did a little search online and I found this code snippet from W3 Schools, which had like a typewriter animation for some text. So I took that and I modified it so that it had bulama.io being typed out as if it's on a typewriter. And then I intentionally made it make a mistake at the end. So it's bulama.ia as you usually see. And IA is just basically a play on Intellectual Apps, which is a software development company I run. And at the end, it types the IA and then it corrects it. It removes the A and adds an O. All of that is being done in code. So the code just takes a string, which is bulama.io, bulama.ia actually, and then it just goes through it, typing it out, one character at a time using a timeout, a JavaScript timeout. And then at the end, it deletes, once it gets to the end, it deletes the last character and then adds a 0. But I think there's a slight, there's a different timer speed there. So it's slightly slower, as if someone's really correcting a mistake. And then I recorded the sounds, the keyboard sounds, using my Zoom mic from a keyboard. So I just typed the keys. I was actually typing bulama.io and correcting it. And I recorded those sounds. So I just opened up the web page that had the animation, and then I used QuickTime to record the screen. So I opened the web page, the animation loaded, recorded the screen, and I just brought that all into a video editor and added the sound and together with the image. And I have two versions, one with a dark background, another with a light background. So yeah, my video intro is actually written as code.